Hello curly friends! Are you running low on conditioner and trying to decide what to buy next? Then you've come to the right video. I'm Bree, I'm a product junkie, so I've done all the hard work for you. I've tried all sorts of brands and products, and I'm here to give you the dish on what has worked well for me and made detangling easy for my medium to long, thick, coarse, curly hair. So my purpose in this video is not to say do or don't buy these brands or products. I'm simply here to give you reviews on conditioners so that you can make informed decisions on what might work well for your hair and your lifestyle. So my first mention is the Be Free conditioner by Danielle Fisher. Wow, I really need to figure out how to say her name. So I give this conditioner a 5 out of 10 for slip because I feel like I get sufficient slip, but that I have to use a lot of product to make detangling like a really easy process. I would recommend this conditioner if your hair is wavy or thin because it's going to be lightweight enough to not weigh your hair down, and you probably won't need to use as much as I do. Next up is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. This is a co-wash, not necessarily just a conditioner, so it's meant to be able to be used on the scalp as well to clean off like light debris and buildup. So I don't use co-washes very often, but this is my favorite out of all of the ones that I've tried. So if you're an everyday kind of shower person, this is for you. It's got decent slip, I give it a 6 out of 10, and it smells like coconut. So win-win. Next on the list is the Diva Curl One Condition. Okay, now I know Diva Curl has a lot going on right now. It's got this class action lawsuit going on, so do your own research and make an informed decision before trying this one. But I couldn't leave it off the list. This has really great slip, okay? Like a 7 out of 10. And I don't have to use like a crazy amount, just like a nice medium, slightly bigger than a quarter size amount for my hair. And it also smells really nice. Coming in at number 2 is Bounce Curls Cream Conditioner. This one actually has no distinct smell, but its slip is an 8 out of 10. It is on the pricier side, but it's worth every penny, I truly believe. I feel like I don't have to use a lot of it, and I think it's also really great for like kinky or thick, really coarse hair because it's thick, but still really smooth. So I really like the detangling process with it. And the number 1 best conditioner, in my opinion, that gives the most slip is the Inner Sense Pure Inspiration Conditioner. And in the same note, I'm going to put their Hydrating Cream Conditioner in here as well. They're just a little bit different, but I'll talk about both of them. So they are both wonderful products. The Pure Inspiration Conditioner is more lightweight, so it goes a little bit further, and the Hydrating Cream Conditioner is thicker. So when I use it, I just put some water in my hand with it and emulsify it in my hands before applying. I would give both of these conditioners a 9 out of 10 for slip, and it's the conditioner that I have to use the least of. Like, I'm talking a quarter sized amount covers my whole medium to long hair, which is great because it is still on the pricey side, but the bottles last forever. So I love it. Okay, but wait, don't go just yet, because I have an honorable mention that really truly deserves to be listed in this video, and that's the Briogeo Don't Despair Deep Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So it is a deep conditioning mask, not an everyday conditioner, so I couldn't include it in the actual list, but I give this product a 10 out of 10 for slip. Yeah, it's that good. So this product is seriously like liquid silk. Like, I love it so much that even when my hair is feeling on the drier side but not in need of a full like 10-minute deep conditioning treatment, I'll just mix a small amount of this in with my normal conditioner to help aid with slip and detangling. It's amazing. Alright, I hope this video was helpful in choosing your next conditioner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yes, every conditioner I talk about is curly girl friendly and silicone free. If you guys want a sulfate free shampoo version of this video, let me know in the comments down below. And until then, adios. Why did I go this way? That was so bad. So I can't really wink very well if you're new to this channel, so I usually try to wink with this eye. It's like getting better. But if I do this eye, oh man, it's terrible. Oh. Now I just look like I'm having a seizure. I'm gonna go eat lunch now. Bye!